Good morning, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Theory, guys. Let's talk about BSV in this episode. I want to talk about altcoins, and we're going to be talking about BitcoinSv. So, where are we at with this stuff? I don't have a clue, to be honest. We saw prices collapse on BitcoinSv all the way down to, I believe, $15 USD, and we are sitting comfortably at 25 USD, which is a huge increase if you were able to see the dump incoming. So, this is very, very interesting based on last month hitting $42. So this is, the timing of this is quite interesting because BitcoinSv has actually collapsed a good bit since that last jump. And this may or may not be a bad thing. We'll just have to see. As these prices get pushed down lower, at what opportunity do people not see the value? Like, we've gone to basically all-time lows. We're getting delisted from pretty much everywhere. So, the less and less people have access to get this, I think maybe this price could be artificially pumped to maybe, I don't know, $5,000-$10,000 US. We don't know. We don't know. What is the value of BitcoinSv? Is it $5? Is it $5,000? We see, this coin taking place on multiple exchanges with various different prices. CoinTiger, it's almost $6,000, and there's $5 trading on it. So it's very strange. I don't really know exactly what's going on here, but we saw the price collapse from over $40 down to, like I said, $15. I feel like there's a massive opportunity here. I think that the quicker that I can get to positions to BitcoinSv, the better. And I'm trying to expand my entire portfolio, not just BitcoinSv, but I do see a big price opportunity in BitcoinSv, even in the short term, basically because if we follow the charts, we see kind of where this stuff goes. We know how quick it can change. We know how the mining is built into it. We know all these factors that give it a cutting edge against other type cryptocurrencies. We have to see value in that alone, as well as some of these other coins like Dash that have recently taken a hit, and it's only because it's kind of a hit of hype. Like, people are just being cautious with it, but I think at the root core, I think these coins are actually more secure than ever, and based on what they've been doing over the last couple years has secured them even more. So we'll just have to see how this stuff pans out, guys. I did want to update you guys on BSV since the $15 fall. Like I said, we're above 25 US, and I think maybe a price increase back up to $50 or $40 really isn't that difficult. It doesn't have to be that difficult to do. I think basically if you're holding a lot of these coins that you're basically, you're pretty much there. You're pretty much experienced the lowest of the lows. And we keep hitting all-time lows against Bitcoin Core, which is just, we keep hitting them. So, as we see, we had a massive spike here on June 19th. We've came down. Massive in what, right? Like, it's came up a bit, but the volatility on these jumps just becomes readily more and more and more. So I wouldn't be surprised if we did get a reversal up here, because these are big moves, guys. These don't look like huge moves on the screen, but to basically what this project has came down to, these are still pretty significant moves in terms of price collapse. So still watching it here, guys. Like I said, I believe there's a ton of opportunity right now in BitcoinSv, even if you want to, just see kind of from a gambling perspective of maybe what's going on. But as you see, we keep creeping lower and lower. And, is this a sign that the BitcoinSv has ran its course, or are we going to get a quick reversal here unexpectedly and return right back up to $400 US? In this case, 0.03 of a Bitcoin. Now, we might not ever hit this again, but just to give you guys an idea of the likelihood of you not wanting to enter a position, well, that's the opportunity we have to see. So we're looking at $1,120 US on BitcoinSv if we just go right back up to 0.04. And this really isn't that interesting, guys, because you have to think of it like this. These jumps can happen literally within a month. Like within a month, we could be all the way to 0.08. Bitcoin. I mean, this is just how fast crypto moves. We don't have to look at BitcoinSv as a dying project. Sure, it looks like it's came down quite a bit, but in cryptocurrency, the community sentiment can change incredibly quickly, and we can elevate to upwards to 20, 50, 70, and even 100x on some of these coins, which is absolutely not heard of in most kind of investments and that kind of thing. So I wanted to make an episode on BitcoinSv. Drop it in the comment section if you got any questions or anything like that, and we'll be making some more altcoin episodes, probably featuring Dash and maybe some other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin Cash, that kind of thing. So we'll catch you guys in the next episode.